Hey cyclists, meet the Pro Bike Tool mini bike pump designed to fit both Presta and Schrader valves for ultimate convenience. This high-pressure pump reaches up to 100 psi with 30% fewer strokes than traditional CO2 inflators, getting you back on the road faster. Its compact size at just 7.4 inches and lightweight 4 ounces make it perfect for riders who value portability without sacrificing performance. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, this pump offers reliable durability and precision for safe, long-lasting rides. The secure thread-on valve connection ensures no air leaks, especially with Presta valves that have removable cores. Plus, it includes a frame mount bracket with an extra security strap to keep your pump safe and rattle-free during your ride. Designed for road, mountain, and BMX bikes, this mini pump is a must-have for every serious cyclist. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.